You don't know how to speak in India?
No. Tama, hindi kami marunong mag-India. Kasi, nasa Pilipinas kami daw.
No. I don't understand what are you talking about. You speak in English.
Nasa Pilipinas kami, paano kami magiging India?
Hey, it's okay.
Bisaya kami dako.
It's okay, guys.
Marunong naman mag-ano yan, mag-Tagalog. Mag-English na India lang yan.
No, I don't know. What
Oo nga,
what did you say?
ano yun siya Tagalog. Nag-English lang.
No, I'm not. I don't know how to speak in Tagalog.
Are you sure?
Tagalog.
Yeah. I'm from Pakistan, but I live in US right now. Hey, why are you so quiet?
Pero mo, yung salita niya, hindi ako halatang Indian.
What did you say? Hey, lady,
I don't understand.
beautiful lady, the blue one, with the flower in her head. What
Speak English lagi.
what's your name?
Ano daw pangalan niyo?
What's your name?
Miss Ariel Belera.
What?
What?
Ariel Belera. What di ka nang naong. No English yan.
No, I don't understand what you're talking.
Watch.
Yeah.
My name is Ariel Belena.
Anya
And you?
Biena?
Yes.
Mm.
Ariel Belena.
Aniel Ben.
And you?
Aniel Beniel. I'm Zach Indu.
Jack Zamora.
Then I'm not Zach Zamora. You're joking at me.
No.
Hey, the black one, the lady with the lips in her face. What's your name, ma'am?
Gusto ko ate, isang ngalan ni mo? My name is...
Hey, why are you so quiet?
I understand to you and speak your English.
What? What?
Iwat-watay mo yung mata.
Hey, is that your sister? The green one?
No.
Who was that?
This is my daughter.
Oh. Is that your daughter?
Yeah, daughter.
Mm. She's like his mother's face.
Wala, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ayaw mo, nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog. Tumatawa siya eh.
No, I'm just understand with the fluent of the story.
Tagalog ka nga.
No.
Translate mo na lang. Google.
Translate.
Google mo na lang, i-google mo na lang, google mo na lang.
What Google?
Naguguluhan ako sa'yo.
Google.
What? Why are you laughing?
Research mo, research.
No, I'm happy.
That's a nice girl. She's always happy. She's always happy even there's a lot of a problem. That's nice.
So, ano? Kala. Dugo taon natin.
Katawa mo ka, Manuel. Nag-split
Hey,
na ko di sa
hello,
imo.
Kus. Hello, Kus.
Tabangi ko dire.
Lucas kare, Lucas.
Digit, tabangi ko dire, oy. Paano ni mag-English?
Guys, see. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Nawa na.
Nag-split na ko dire ba?
Nagbabasa lang ng ano yan.
Tuja.
Basta ng ano, comment.
Tujaku. Halo.
Halo, halo.
Halo, halo.
Buda, tuna.
Bakit mainit? Mainit ba dyan? Nagkano-halo ka?
Halo, tuna. This three person is always happy. Yeah. This three person is always happy. I think
No, magpa-up
I
naman
think
na siya.
I think they are talking to me. Yeah, Achura. Everyone.
Patay. Hi, everyone. Are you there?
Yeah, that's nice. They are from Philippines. Yeah, where are you from, guys?
Philippines.
Ah, they're Philippines. Philippines? What?
Sakit akong tiyan, ani?
Oh, yes.
Where are you from, guys? Where are you from again?
Philippines.
Ah,
Kay M.
from Philippines. Say hi to
Indonesia.
our friends.
Andito po kami sa Hong Kong.
What? What did you say? What's the Kongkong?
Hong Kong.
What is that the Kongkong? What is the Kongkong, man? Don't so crazy. Kuja. Hey, where are you laughing the word chikoko? Where are you chikoko? What's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of that?
Na,
What?
gusto ko yung minute ang magkikungkong.
Ano daw ang meaning na sabi niyo?
Hong Kong, I mean.
Ah, okay. You're from Hong Kong. You're from Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, tikungkong.
Why your language is not? Oh my goodness. I'm embarrassing. Man.
Sorry guys. I'm sorry guys.
Namumroblema siya sa mga sinasabi niyo.
Hello everyone. Kung like to. Yeah, what the father chan lai tum.
Join ka.
Chuma but chua.
Join ka na samboy.
Hey everyone. Are you single? The three of you?
Leave.
No, I'm
Or you're dribble triple? Dribble triple?
single daw kayo.
I'm not single.
What? Who is the one single?
Sidecar meron.
What?
Tricycle.
Tricycle. Oh, the tricycle. Hey Miko. Miko Saboy Miko. No, it's not Mogo Mogo.
Motor. That is tricycle.
Oh yeah. And I know the tricycle. That one. The three wheels.
Motor. 3 wheels. 4 wheels.
No. 3 wheels also. 3 wheels only. Tricycle.
4.
4? What
Yeah.
kind of that tricycle, man? Try try. It's only try, not forcicle. If you are called that forcicle.
Tricycle nga. Bagong baka ka nun.
Tricycle, but you said four wheels. So forcicle, not tricycle.
What more?
Oh no, my goodness. Oh my goodness. And so,
Atin rin naghang. Yung utok niya.
oh my goodness.
Tutuan ka na. Pupukin mo yung ulo mo kayo.
It's the one.
Hindi kami marunong. Nandito po kami sa Hong Kong.
Rain is lagging, man. Rain is lagging.
Hong Kong?
Oh my goodness. Unsa day pangalan ninyo, guys?
Bukan na. Tinggawas na. Ikaw na.
Taga-asa day.
Gawas na. Tagalog.
Taga-asa day mo. Taga-asa day mo, miga.
Tagabalay kami.
Sagwa, oy. Peace.
Pinirapan mo kami sa kalisod.
Uy, hindi ba halata? Hindi halata? Talaga? Sure?
Hindi.
Eh.
Laimo pa lang pangalan. Wala. Hindi na.
Nalilito kayo? Tingnan mo yung tingnan niyo yung mukha ko, oh. Bisaya na Bisaya 'yan.
Matikong ko na kasi.
Sagwa sa tikungkong ba? Grabe ba? Grabe yung tikungkong ba?
Huwag kang tikong. Tikong yun.
Oh, na-prank sila na ako.
Si ate rin,
Na-prank sila na ako, guys.
Kaya mo ha, tikong ka pa dyan.
Mahilig ka sa batat, mahilig ka sa tikungkong, ha?
Ikaw yung nagsabi yan. Join ka na.
Grabe ba? So guys, that's all for today. May na-prank na naman ako ngayon. Hahaha.
Happy. Sino na-prank mo?
Grabe. Abi jud nilag unsa kung nationality ba kay galibog sila durog unsa ba gyud English, Indo, then inchik na pod. Ah, na-stress ko gamay.
Hello.
Na-stress ko gamay ba?
Join ka na. Up ka na.